actually marks the climax because we are here to launch the baby care and the lactation room. And this is good because it therefore means that our staff will be able to work with a lot of peace, knowing that your baby is somewhere taken care of and is safe. For anybody who is a mother and a father, that is very, very important.
Daycare and lactation center. I'm very happy you did not call it the mother's room, because then fathers say hiyo sio yetu, hiyo ni ya mothers. So it is a daycare and lactation center for everyone, isn't it? Hakuna mahali imeandikwa just for women, it is for men. It's really a pleasure, and I've been listening very keenly to what you have done, which is really remarkable. So I will start with thanking you, Dr. Rose, and your committee for having also ensured that the council, we can come to this corner of the world. We've never been here. We did not even know it exists.
We're supposed to have a place from the HR perspective and the laws of labor. We are supposed to have a place where we have this happening, so that the kids are not just getting milk from the shops and the like, from the shelves, but the mother's milk. Very good for their growth, very good for their development and the like. So this is step one, Madam Chair, Council members, is that we are talking about staff because the place is small. I'm glad we have fenced it, and I hope we are going to do a few more things to ensure that the security is well